use of the print function. Normally there is as such we are not using the print function with the shell environment, because the moment we are executing, we are writing anything, we will get the result simultaneously. But we are using the print function in the script mode, with there we are writing the multiple commands, and in as such script command, when we are executing, it is not showing the result sim- at the same moment on the shell environment. For that we have to use the print function. For that, if I'll write the same thing 3 plus 4 here, it will, and after saving the things, it will not show me the result as it is showing on the shell environment. Now if I print the things in the put the things in the print function, then it will show me the result. Then now with the help of this, now you have understood that it is necessary for us to write the print function in the script mode, but it is not mandatory to write the things in the shell mode. We can do the calculation here. Suppose if I am specifying anything and in the a and b variable, and after that if we want to do some calculation with these two numbers, then I can do the calculation also in the here also. If we want to print anything in the yeah, but this is my file, then it will show me that result also here. You can write as many as sentences in the print function. Hello world class Delhi, anything, put in the round bracket, and then it will display the things as it is on the screen also. Now it is not necessary. Suppose if I want to write the things with the number also in the print function, suppose if I am writing sum of two numbers, here I am just printing the things as it is, then you can put in the double quotes. But after that, if I want to do some calculation with the numbers, then you have to separate the fixed thing with the calculated part. For that you will use the comma operator to separate the things. Now you can see the things, then it will show you the result also. If I am not writing anything in the print function, then you can leave the things also as it is your file. If you are writing the incorrect thing, then it will print the incorrect thing on the screen also. If I am not writing anything, then we can leave the things, then it will create a blank line for us. We can write whatsoever we are writing as it is, we can write, enclose them in the single bracket. We discussed earlier also, if you are starting with single quote, you have to end with single quote. If you are starting with double quotes, you have to end with double quotes also. Suppose if I am writing anything here, each and every time whenever you are writing the print function, it will show the result in the new line. Suppose here I am writing Reena. I just, because each and every time whenever we are using the print function, it will show us the result in the next line. Suppose after this, if I want to print the Reena side by side, so I can, there are two options. Either I can write the entire thing in the same line and then I'll get the result, or I can make two words also. If you are separate writing two words, then separate with comma also, then you can get the result also here also in this way. But suppose you have written so much in the next line and you don't want to write the things in the same line the way it is written, for that we are using the AND operator also. That we will discuss in the next video, how we can use other things. This much is clear to you. We can do the calculation. If we are doing some calculation with the things, then we can write in that way also. Suppose in the starting you can do the calculation the way you want, and after that if you want to write anything, then you can write the things. After that if you want to print anything, then in this way also you can print the things. I hope this much is clear to you. In the next video we will see how we can use the parameters in the print function. That's all for today's video. Thank you. Do share and like my video.